Looking for the best smart ring in 2026? The new Oura Ring 5 and RingConn Gen 3 are two of the most talked about smart rings right now. One focuses on premium health insights and recovery tracking, while the other offers long battery life and no subscription fees. In this video, we're comparing both rings side by side to help you quickly decide which one is the better choice for your needs. Welcome back to Smartwatch Radar. Subscribe for more smartwatch and wearable tech comparisons. Design and comfort. Both rings focus heavily on comfort and all-day wear. The Oura Ring 5 introduces a thinner and smaller design than Ring 4, making it one of the most comfortable smart rings Oura has ever made. The titanium construction feels premium, lightweight, and closer to traditional jewelry. The RingConn Gen 3 also uses a titanium design and remains extremely comfortable for 24/7 wear. It is designed to sit naturally on the finger and has improved internal sensor placement for better comfort during workouts and sleep. Overall, both are excellent for comfort, but Oura Ring 5 feels slightly more refined and premium. Battery life. Battery life is one of the biggest differences between these two rings. The Oura Ring 5 delivers around 6 to 9 days of battery life depending on usage. The RingConn Gen 3 pushes much further, offering around 10 to 14 days on a single charge, making it one of the longest-lasting smart rings currently available. If battery life is your top priority, RingConn clearly takes the lead. Health and fitness features. This is where the competition becomes interesting. The Oura Ring 5 focuses heavily on sleep analysis, recovery tracking, readiness scores, stress monitoring, heart health insights, resilience tracking, and overall wellness guidance. Oura also introduces improved sensors, health radar, AI-powered health guidance, and deeper long-term health analysis. The RingConn Gen 3 focuses on continuous health monitoring, sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, stress monitoring, recovery tracking, vascular health insights, and smart vibration alerts. Both rings deliver excellent health data, but they target slightly different users. Oura focuses more on advanced wellness insights and recovery intelligence. RingConn focuses more on practical health tracking with strong battery life and subscription-free access. App experience and insights. The Oura app remains one of the strongest health platforms available today. It presents health data in a very simple way while still providing detailed readiness, sleep, recovery, and wellness insights. The AI features have also become smarter in the latest generation. RingConn has improved its app significantly with Gen 3. The app now offers detailed health trends, sleep reports, recovery tracking, and vascular health monitoring. Most importantly, all features are included without requiring an additional membership. Smart features. The Oura Ring 5 focuses on advanced health intelligence. Users receive personalized health recommendations, recovery guidance, trend analysis, and deeper wellness insights over time. RingConn Gen 3 adds some unique features such as smart vibration alerts, inactivity reminders, health deviation notifications, and vascular health tracking. Price comparison. The Oura Ring 5 starts at around $399, while premium finishes can reach around $499. The RingConn Gen 3 starts at around $349. The biggest difference is that Oura requires a monthly membership for the full experience, while RingConn provides its health insights without subscription fee. For long-term value, RingConn has a major advantage. Final verdict. If you want the most advanced health insights, recovery analysis, sleep tracking, and premium wellness experience available in a smart ring, the Oura Ring 5 remains one of the best options on the market. However, if you want excellent health tracking, longer battery life, useful smart alerts, and no monthly subscription costs, the RingConn Gen 3 offers outstanding value. For the best health platform and recovery insights, Oura Ring 5 wins. For battery life, value, and subscription-free ownership, RingConn Gen 3 is the smarter buy for most users. So that's our comparison of the Oura Ring 5 and RingConn Gen 3. Let us know which smart ring you would choose, and don't forget to subscribe to Smartwatch Radar for more wearable tech comparisons and buying guides.